Hi again! I came across so many nail desks during my career as a nail technician, and after testing them out, never got the wow feeling. Yes, you are right. Extra microphone, extra light, extra camera holder next to my regular coffee. So, I asked my husband, who is my engineer, to sort out my files. And we finally got to something which I'm proud of. A few details below. You can see how clear is my glasses. You can see how it's absolutely great. Very good job. You can see how much is the dust on me here on my glass. You can see. Yeah, and here on my desk, this is the maximum. Look how much dust is left. Okay, of course I can remove this one. Okay. And this big part is going into the bin. Okay guys, so this is the usual Thursday for everyone, but not for me. Actually, this is a very good day. My new desk is arrived, so you can see how lovely it is. No dust. Oh, I love it so much. So if you would like to order it, just contact me. Here is available everything. See ya!